Okay, so another update. Boy, that acid was a challenge to mix, and it's a good idea to get a neutralizer, so I had to look that up. I got a neutralizer handy and had my helper standing by with the neutralizer in case if you mix it wrong, it explodes in your face. So just wanted to make sure I had some neutralizer powder with this particular acid. Baking soda is one of the safest ways to neutralize it. So I had the eye protection, I had gloves and all that, but there's a chance that when mixing it could have exploded and splashed up all over me. And so my helper was standing by ready to dump that all over me and neutralize. And then of course we would go straight to the hospital. So anyway, didn't have to, that worked out fine. And you scrub it in with, I used a plastic brush as the instructions indicated. And then rinsed it with a hose. You let it sit for 5 minutes, and by the time I was done scrubbing it all in, the 5 minutes had already passed. And because we have positive airflow right now, I've got the fans going behind me, it's pushing air out. You can see it's already starting to dry over there at the exit. And so this will be dried out by tomorrow, and then we can lay some paint. But what I'm probably gonna do tomorrow is tarp this area and then paint this room first, and then once this is painted, then we can start moving all the other stuff from the rest of the shop into there. So we'll get it all moved in there, and that way I'll have room to spray in here, because this is the darkest, worst offender. And of course, once we get the new lights hung as well, then it'll be a lot brighter. So that's just another update on brightening up your workspace. So today we put down the the concrete etch, and rinsed it off. So now we'll just let that dry. With this particular product, it was very important to make sure you didn't get any bleach mixed in. So good thing I rinsed the bleach out. All right, well, thanks again everybody for checking in. Have a great day.